I'm making this video today for those that are thinking about getting their roof shingled. And I actually had this video already made, 3 weeks of the filming on this video, and I just kind of canceled it all out. Yeah, I figure I could do a better job just doing what I'm doing now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you my story. Back for many years now, we had a leak in our bathroom. And recently it got another leak in my office. So we've been dealing with leaks, and it's just our roof was really bad. The shingles were, well, pretty much 30 years old. Okay, the lawn mowing crew pulled up because our neighbor's getting their yard mowed. He's a friend of ours named Doug. So I came back here with Stormy. I got my dog. But anyway, through this year, we wanted to do things that we was not able to do before. For starters, we wanted to get the plumbing done in the backyard. We did it. We wanted to get a new air unit. We did it. The other big thing was a roof shingled. And guys, I'm going to tell you, I've shingled roofs in my younger days, but I never had to, well, have somebody else do it for me. This time I had to. Now I'm going to tell you procedures we went through. And hopefully this might be helpful to you guys. So basically, I checked in with some friends. I had a good friend that just got her roof done. It was a metal roof. And that was the first thing we wanted to look into, was a metal roof. And she gave me some good advice. She says, get as many references as you can. Get as many as you can. And don't pick the one that's the cheapest. Pick the one that's more right for you. You know, look for different things. Look how they carry themselves. Look at all they're going to do. Look if they had show proof for insurance. And watch out for them car salesmen. I said, car salesmen for roofers? It's like, oh yeah. Overlook the lawnmowers. In my background, it is summertime. So we hit the books and we found 4 people to come out and give us estimates. So we had the first guy come out. He was very reasonable. We liked what he said. We wanted to get our gutters done. We wanted to get the stovepipe off. And we basically, obviously, wanted to get it shingled. He gave us a great estimate. He was very professional. We liked him. Then we waited for the other guy to come out to give us an estimate. And guys, here's the car salesman. He came out. He kept trying to sell more and more. And he was so unprofessional. He didn't even bother getting on the roof to measure it. And then when he did get up on the roof, he ripped off 3 shingles. Yep, you need shingles. Then came down here and sat here at my dirty table, sat right there at my dirty table and says, yep, I can do your roof for $25,000. And that's shingle, by the way, not metal. It's obvious we didn't choose that one. So we waited for the third guy to come out to give us an estimate. He never showed, never called, yep, no show. And then the fourth guy, he was able to come out, but he had to change it because he got sick. So he came out about 4 days later. He came out, he showed his proof of insurance, very professional, got up there, measured the roof, looked at the gutters, says, you guys don't need gutters. They need clean, but these gutters are good shape. They're dirty. They're dirty, don't get me wrong, but they're in good shape. And then we're like, well, could you move the stovepipe too? He said, yeah. And he also told us a few other things we didn't need done just to make the price go lower. Sat down, he charged it, well, a little bit over $7,000, guys. So guess what? We chose that outfit. Now, here's where the tricky thing came in, and I want you guys to remember this. If anything at all in this video, I want you to remember this most of all. The day before they come out, you want to be prepared. He did tell us this. He says the day before they come out, you want to make sure they have a place to park. And understand they're going to start early in the morning at 6 a.m. And they're going to have a dumpster in your yard. And also they're going to have all the shingles and stuff dropped off the day before. So that's all fine and good. A schedule to work to go on for Monday. Yes. So Sunday night, my wife and I got the cars on the other side of the driveway. We made sure everything was prepared for them. Well, Monday morning came and it was pushing about 8 o'clock and they wasn't here. And we got a phone call. They had an accident on the way to the house, guys. Yes. Nobody was hurt, thank God, but they had an accident. So we had to reschedule it for Wednesday. Well, somebody didn't get the memo, because come Tuesday morning we was unprepared and they was tearing off the shingles of my house at 6 in the morning. It scared the bejeebus out of us. My God, that was one of the biggest anxiety attacks I've ever had. It sounded like a herd of elephants going through the house. And that's the other thing I want you to remember. Like I said, I put on many roofs, but I've never been home while I had a roof put on. And it is just crazy. But guys, before we go any further, I did my roof in 6.5 hours, and I want to show my roof now. As you notice, the stovepipe is still there because it wasn't able to get it out. We don't know what happened with that. They tried, just they couldn't get it out. But guys, there's my roof. And like I said, this was a 3-week video in progress. Every time we had a guy come out and give us an estimate, I gave a report. Now I was also going to try to videotape them getting some of this done, but here's another thing to remember. When they started, we got barricaded inside the house because they had ladders and they was working and they was throwing the shingles off the roof on the tarps on the ground. It was unsafe to come out. As a matter of fact, we had to take our dog out the back way underneath the deck. But guys, there it is. I got my roof done. I really wish the video I did that took 3 weeks turned out better than what it did, but it didn't. And one of the main reasons I wanted to scratch it, because I was hoping to get them to do the job. I had permission. I actually had permission for them to do the job, but like I said, it was too dangerous. But guys, I did not take the most expensive, obviously, and I didn't take the cheapest. Well, kinda in a way I did. I took the one in the middle. Only because, not because of the price, I liked the outfit that was going to do the job. I liked the professionalness. I liked all the proof of stuff they showed us and the references they gave us. He actually got the job because of all that. And, I mean, my God, he was a professional. I know I said that already. But let me show you the outfit that did it. And we'll close it out from there. Angie's Roofing. That's the outfit that did our roof. Whew, it's hot out there. Now this year we want to make sure we got some of the most important things fixed up here at home. You know, the plumbing was major. The air unit out there was major. I'm getting ready to make me some tea. Then I'm going to edit you guys up. And we needed a roof. We have some things left we need to do. We need to get a hot water heater, and we have a little bit of drywall work and some electric work. After we get all that, we should be in good shape. This year, I wanted to basically get all these things done. And we got most of it. We got the 3 big ones done. 3 big ones done. So guys, hopefully this helped you out. If you're going to get your roof done, remember, be prepared the day before. And while they're doing the roof, if you can find, you don't have to be at home when they do it. If you have somewhere you can be, definitely go there. Because the sound it's going to make when they're doing the roof is like a herd of elephants on the roof. And do not go with the first estimate. Get as many estimates as you can. And don't go with the cheapest one either. You don't want to choose them because, oh yeah, that's $1,000 cheaper. Yes, money's important, but you want experts on your roof. You want them to do your roof. Because, you know, you don't want some clown up there just nailing anything in the world in. You know, and that's what we chose. It wasn't because of the money. Of course, the $25,000 one was crazy. It's because this outfit was experts. Alright guys, I've had too much sun. I'm going to get me some tea and I'm tired. It was a hard walk this morning. But until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Leave me comments. If you had a roof done recently, tell me some of your nightmares. Our nightmare was it came a day early, somebody didn't get the memo, and my God, it scared the bejeebus out of us at 6 o'clock in the morning because we wasn't expecting them till the next day. Yeah, we had to go move the cars too. Like I said, we wasn't expecting them. Leave me comments. Let me know. We'll catch you next time.